Let us focus on this question from CSIR NET December 2019. The question is from the topic Raman spectra. Here we have to identify the correct order of intensities of Stokes line, Anti-Stokes line and the Rayleigh line. Now Raman effect is the effect in which photon is scattered by a molecule due to which the rotational or vibrational energy level of the molecule changes. Now there are three types of scattering. The first one is Rayleigh scattering. In this scattering there is no energy change. This is elastic scattering. Photon wavelength remains unchanged. You can also say that the photon frequency remains unchanged. This is the most intense one because majority of the photons are scattered in this way and there is no vibrational or rotational energy transfer. Now the second type of scattering is Stokes scattering. This is inelastic scattering, means photon loses energy to the molecule goes from lower state to higher state, the scattered photon frequency is less. So nu scattered, this is less than nu incident in the case of Stokes scattering. Now the third type is anti-Stokes scattering. This is also an inelastic scattering. Photon gains energy from the molecule goes from higher state to lower state, the scattered photon frequency is more. So nu scattered, this is greater than nu incident. Now at room temperatures or at usual temperatures, the molecules occupied in the lower state will be larger. So this is at room temperature. The lower energy level will have more molecules and therefore the Stokes scattering is favored because in Stokes scattering the molecule goes from lower state to higher state. For anti-Stokes scattering to occur, we need the molecule to go from higher state to lower state, but at room temperatures, more molecules are occupied in the lower levels. Therefore, more intensity will be for the Stokes. Therefore, the correct ordering is I Rayleigh greater than I Stokes greater than I Anti-Stokes. Because most of the photons are undergoing Rayleigh scattering and they do not exchange energy with the molecule, the most intense will be Rayleigh scattering. The least intense will be Anti-Stokes lines because the molecules are least occupied in the higher energy states at room temperatures. Therefore the correct ordering is given by option B. I Rayleigh is greater than I Stokes greater than I Anti-Stokes.